Hello and welcome to this CYBELEC video, in which we'll teach you how to apply corrections to your bends. We have a program loaded and we'll press the start button to get the machine ready. Once ready, we'll press on the foot pedal to execute the first bend, a 90-degree angle on a 30mm long flange. Using a protractor, we'll check the angle of our bend. The measuring tool shows it is still a bit open. To be precise, it measured 91.6 degrees. To correct this, we must touch here on our main page. This opens the correction page, where we will simply enter our measured angle after touching here. As you can see, the values of axes Y1 and Y2 are automatically corrected accordingly. Our angle is now corrected, but it is not the only dimension we must check. We wanted the flange to be 30mm long, but it is only 29.6. On the correction page, we can also correct the back gauge positions. Let's correct the x-axis value here and enter the difference to the desired dimension. Our first bend is now perfect, and we can come back to the main page and proceed in the same manner with any other corrections needed. One last quick tip. The back gauge corrections can be directly applied from the main page by touching here or here. This concludes our video. You now know how to properly apply corrections to your parts on your CYBTouch. We hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.